Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
What's up? It's your girl Amber Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm doing a video unboxing 2 items that I got from SonyaB's boutique. I apologize. And this is a black-owned business. If you're on Instagram, I'm sure you heard of this profile, this brand, this name. It's women's wear, women's accessories, everything for the female. So I'm just jump right in. So the first thing I got was this cute bag, and it says fresh popcorn, delicious, crisp. It's pretty dope because it has like the ingredients on the side. Which is pretty cool, like real ingredients, as if it was food in here, but it's not. And this chain, because it's a messenger bag, so it's very long, and it comes down, so it's like, okay girl, where we going, to the movies? This gives me the old like crack in a box. Jack in the Box popcorn. If you're from the 90s, you're a 90s baby. You're a 90s baby. You know what I'm talking about. You got like a little treat in the package or something. So that's what it's giving me. But this is so cute. So I got this box. And then the second thing that I got, as I'm putting this back to its packaging, is I kind of put this on a hanger because I took the contents out already. But this is a cute see-through shirt. It is a gradient ombre effect of blue, pink, yellow, and obviously it's rhinestones on here. So this will go over, you know, you could wear a sheer bra, no bra, pasties, or it could be like a tank top under. And I like the fact that the arms are extremely long because I'm extremely tall. I'm 5'9". So that's pretty helpful. So this is really cute. I really like this. So I'm gonna be styling this, obviously. So stay tuned for pics. If you're on Instagram, check out my Instagram, _SonyaB. And those are the 2 items I got. I try to be very quick if I can. Fortunately with this purchase, I thought I got more, but I kind of did this video kind of late after I got the package. So for me, this is a little delayed. My apologies, but we gonna handle that. So yes, like this video, share this video, subscribe, comment down below if you like these items, if you purchase from there, if you've heard of this boutique, and definitely support black businesses, okay? And have a blessed, happy, safe day. Stay marvelous, and this is a place for fashion. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.